We're not going to see the snowy part of this at all. It's up to the north and west of us. We've got the showers, though, and the thunderstorms. The intensity of these storms right now is a concern as we go into the next few hours. So we're expecting to see a couple of these thunderstorms possibly become severe across parts of the Triad. And so that's what we've got in store for you. Look at this right now. You're seeing that we've got an enhanced risk for severe storms down to the south. This covers Atlanta and then parts of the Triad now under a slight risk area. Just want to make sure we're also on that max 3 as we continue to take a look at those showers and those thunderstorms rolling through tonight. We are expecting to see those showers and those thunderstorms causing more concerns. Take a look at the tornado reports out there right now. Those tornado reports at this hour are over Montgomery, Birmingham, Nashville, all of these sections here out from areas of Louisiana earlier today, also dealing with these severe storms. So the winds have been coming up, and we've noticed how warm it is thanks to the winds, but the tornado watch includes now Asheville, parts of North Carolina. Our slight risk is a little bit of a heightened risk from yesterday. It still does not mean we're going to get the worst of the weather. We have the greater risk to see some damaging winds with this. So damaging winds, a moderate threat there. Also the heavy rain. This will be brief, but in a few spots we could see some localized flooding. And we're also looking at isolated tornadoes and large hail potentially. Till 1 a.m. we got our wind advisories up, now extended east into parts of the foothills. Mount Airy, North Wilkesboro included in this, and also Stewart. So gusts of 40 miles an hour. We may also see gusts of 50 take down some trees and create some power outages for us. We're looking at late evening conditions with 60s and upper 50s at the very least. We expect to see these temperatures actually warm up in a few cases. Those showers and those thunderstorms are going to push in, and as we see these storms roll through, lots of lightning with these storms. It may be a noisy night for us. Even if we don't see severe, be ready for some of the rumbles of thunder and gusty winds ahead of it. Now, our risk for damaging wind probability at 15%. That's a little bit higher right now than it is for tornado concerns, but this would be the zone if we do see severe that it's more likely. Mocksville, Lexington, the Triad locations of Winston-Salem, Greensboro, and kind of touching off through Reidsville. So those are the spots we're watching for carefully. And we're looking right now at those showers down to the south out over Boone and approaching for folks up in Morganton area. That's where we have that tornado watch for them. That may be extended east within the next couple of hours. And if it does so, we'll keep you posted, of course. We've got you at 68 degrees in Greensboro. We're at 66 in Martinsville. And your gusts right now in the 20 to 33 mile an hour range. You see Greensboro here with 33 mile an hour gusts. We've got you at 21 in Reidsville and 18 in Burlington. So showers and thunderstorms, not the biggest concern just yet, but within the next 3 hours. So after we get you into 9 o'clock, you can see that wind out of the south and southwest. Our hour by hour does show that the pattern is to take those storms between 9 and 10 o'clock and fire them up right over the foothills first. Southern Piedmont locations too. We'll be looking at a few showers and storms trying to pop right ahead of that line. And as that line rolls through, the damaging wind threats come into play. It could be parts of northern sections of Winston-Salem, Greensboro that also get hit by this, and it may be a line that forms where we're going to hear it and see some of those storms drop in some damaging wind threats that could take down trees and do some damage to our homes. So we do want you to be ready. Make sure your WXI 12 weather app is ready to go. You notice that though we're going to clear out pretty quickly. We'll clear you out by tomorrow morning. You'll see mostly sunny skies and highs in the upper 60s to even near 70 with a west breeze until those winds calm down. Unfortunately, those showers start to roll back in. Here's your forecast. From 56 degrees tomorrow morning, we warm you back to near 70 degrees, a light westerly breeze. So the winds back off the later we go. And after we get through those severe storms, your early morning, we start to clear. We get you to 64 through middle of the day to near 69 and 70 for folks in the Triad and foothills. In the mountains from 45 degrees, we've got you to near 60. And again, overnight and through the next several hours, we've got those impact hours thanks to a risk for severe storms. Light rainfall totals for some up to an inch where we get some of the heavier rain as we go into early tomorrow morning. Then we're going to add to these totals for Monday into Tuesday and even Wednesday. We may see some 1 to 2, even 2.5 inches, getting you closer to Thursday when we actually start to clear out. And so that's what we're looking at right now for you. Highs today in the upper 60s, and your 7-day forecast showing you 70 tomorrow. Impact days Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, as well as next Saturday for another round of potential showers, but it does look to cool down toward the end of the week, taking us to near seasonable conditions after a week of 60s and showers.